In today's video, I will walk you through how to change country in Stripe. First, open your Stripe account in your web browser and make sure you are signed in. Once you enter your account, you'll arrive on the Stripe home dashboard. This is the main page where you can view your account overview and access the settings needed for this setup. From the dashboard, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and locate the gear icon. Click the gear icon to open your account settings. This area contains the account configuration options and is where you'll make the changes shown in this tutorial. After the settings page opens, look through the available categories and select Business. This section contains your business information and account details. Inside the Business section, find the field that displays your current country. The country setting is shown as a selectable field. Click on the country dropdown to continue. A list of available countries will appear. Scroll through the options and locate the country you want to use. Once you find it, click to select it. After selecting the new country, review the page and check whether any information updates automatically. Depending on the selected country, some fields on the page may change or additional details may appear. Take a moment to review the information displayed on the screen and make sure the selected country is the one you want to apply to the account. When everything looks correct, scroll down if necessary and locate the Save button. Click Save to apply the update. Stripe will begin processing the change. Wait for the update to complete and remain on the page until the changes finish saving. Once the update is complete, your account settings will reflect the newly selected country. If needed, return to the Business section again to confirm that the country field now shows your updated selection. That's all there is to it. After the changes are applied, your Stripe account will reflect the new country setting and you can continue managing your account from the dashboard. Thank you for watching.